Welcome back. In Lesson 11, we crack the code of airline schedules so you can book with confidence.
Staring at a GDS screen full of flight schedules can feel like looking at the Matrix. To translate this data, we must understand its three layers.
Airlines build the schedule internally. They send it to the OAG, which standardizes it globally. Finally, the GDS pulls that data onto your screen.
Translating these codes flawlessly is non-negotiable. A single misread number means a stranded passenger and a costly agency debit memo for your business. Rule number 1, forget your standard desk calendar. Because a date like 0304 causes global confusion, we use our own strict formatting.
09 August 2026. The golden rule of the week. Monday is always day 1. 1 is Monday, 2 is Tuesday, all the way up to 7, which is Sunday.
Airlines use frequency codes to tell you which days a flight operates. Seeing 135 means the flight flies on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But watch out for the X factor. Whenever you see the letter X in a frequency code, train your brain to instantly read the word except.
For example, X5 means the flight operates every single day except Friday. Daily X7 means daily except Sunday.
Effective. Discontinue.
Beware the IATA seasonal shift. The aviation year splits into a summer schedule starting late March and a winter schedule starting late October.
Karachi, Pakistan.
Look at this GDS line, PK302 KHI to LHE. That is Pakistan International Airlines from Karachi to Lahore. Because today is Sunday, which is day 7 on the aviation calendar, you know with absolute certainty this flight is operating right now. Before issuing a ticket, use the red flag checklist. Don't mix up Tuesday and Thursday, and never ignore the X factor.
Always ensure the flight is valid within the discontinued dates, and double-check your frequencies if the round trip crosses a seasonal shift.
Master these codes, and you will read schedules like a true professional. I am Zafar Minhas, and I will see you in Lesson 12. Subscribe now to stay on course. Safe travels.